Hey, hi guys, welcome to my channel. In this session, we will learn about first program, or we can say we will create one simple hello world program. For that, you need to open a Visual Code. In that, you need to create one .ts file. I have created one file main.ts. In this file, we will just write a simple console.log and we can print hello world. Okay, so now we need to execute this file. To execute this file, you need to open terminal. You can create new terminal, so it will open a new window. Then you can write here tsc. This is a TypeScript compiler, and you need to specify main.ts. When you hit the enter, it will compile this file into one.js file. So at the same location, you will see a .js file with the same name main.js. Let me hit perfect. It is compiled successfully, and here you can see our main.js file. It is having the same code. Now you might be worrying why we have .ts file as we can see the same code here in the JS file also. So the reason is, for the demo purpose for this session only, I have written one simple program which is also common in the .js file in JavaScript also. So console.log in .ts TypeScript and console.log in JS, the pattern is same. Okay, that is why we cannot see the difference. But in the upcoming session, we will write the complex code here, and you can see the reflection in the JS file. Okay, so this is a how you can compile this file. Now, one more thing, what I want to do is, um, I will make the change here and it should automatically update here in the JS file without firing this tsc main.ts. So how you can do? Okay, so what you can do is just write the command tsc main.ts and I will say watch. Okay, so you can see you found zero error watching for file changes. So if we do anything here, okay, I have saved my file console.log. I will write my name. Okay, now if I go to main.js, see, automatically it has created one more console.log. And if I say let num equal to 0, it it has changed where to let to where. Here I am getting the error, cannot redeclare block scope variable num. Num was also declared here. So we will come to this error in later stage, but for now I'm just showing you how let has changed to where. Okay, and it is in the real time, it is showing me an error here. So this is how compilation works of TypeScript file, and it has been converted into a JS file. So in the next section we will see more about TS file, or say we will do in more coding in the .ts file. More complex code we will write in this TS file. It can be converted into the JS file using the tsc command.